It just ran this shit. Hmm. Mm. Yeah, what's up, Alfred? See something real quick. Mm. Shit. It's on my list. It's on my list. If Silver be nice to me here, it's definitely going to be on my list. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Hey, what's up, everybody? Come on, Silver. You ain't had to do me like that. You ain't had to do me like that, Silver. Damn. Damn, dude. Ah. Damn. All right, dude. Hmm. Okay. Damn, Silver, you gonna do me like that? Okay. Mm. Damn, Silvers. God damn. I think I already got. Y'all guys already know what I want to do, but I think I blocked Silver. I think I blocked it. Yeah, I blocked it. Whatever, dude. Uh, this is my life, man. I built this shit brick by brick, and I'd be damned if I let you tear it down because you don't like how somebody talk. Silver. Uh, mm, damn. God damn, Silver. You didn't have to do me like that. Shit. Mm. Oh, dude. All right. Okay. Whatever, dude. Whatever. 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 Silver and gold right now is being real nasty. Silver and goddamn gold. Yeah. I mean, shit. This is what happens, man. You be nice. You say some nice things about something or an entity, person, place, or thing, and then they think that they can just start doing shit. That they can just like start getting away with shit. Like you like them for real. Here I was thinking about the lock in a win, an easy winner. I'll move back up, but no. Silver wanted to be nasty to me for whatever reason. And then I added a contract. The one time I guess I shouldn't have, because I thought that okay, well maybe it's just gonna pull back. Oh come, Silver, come on, baby, come on. Let's talk about this. You can before you go, you can pull back and limit me in, baby. Come on, baby. I understand things were said, things got a little heated, but do the right thing here. Pull back, limit me in, and then go and continue in that direction that you're going in right now. Oh, come man. All right. Silver broke a lot of people's heart with this move down right here. She broke a lot of people's hearts right before Christmas. Right before Christmas. She took a lot of people's Christmas money in that drop right there. God. That was nasty, Silver. That was freaking nasty, dude. That was nasty. She ruined a lot of people's Christmas right there. Mm-mm-mm. All right, man. That's why you enjoy the ride until it's done, Alfred. We're just here for the ride, baby. That's it. That's all we're here for. Hmm. Well, okay. Well, I mean, the reason why I took this trade is because It was a range right there. And initially it worked, man. Initially we got the bounce. It's just that unfortunately she took out a lot of people's Christmas money right there. Now the scrippers ain't gonna be able to get their Christmas this year. So I'm just gonna put my limit right here again. Hopefully, I mean, Silver chooses to kind of pull back here and somewhat redeem herself here, but um, mm, hopefully. Mm. Because I mean, we already got the rotation already. We already got the rotation. This is the range right here. We have the break above, the break below, back into the range, and so I mean, it's already. Or actually, that's not the range. My bad. This is the range right here. Let me just draw it out. So that's not the range. This is the actually. Where do I have this range drawn? Huh. Hold on. What the hell? Hold on. Is this right? Hold on. Am I tripping? 'Cause it's not showing up the same way how it's showing up on my Ninja Trader chart. All right. So 6'9", 6'5", 6'9". I was about to say, I don't even mean it was same sense. It didn't change. 4'5". I just I was like, dude, that does not make sense. All right. So all right, we'll see. We'll see if silver will be nice here. All right, so this is the range right here. This is why I chose to take this trade. This is the range before the breakout. And so what I was looking for in this situation was the market to come at the 50% mark, and we would see a bigger move higher than what we saw. But it's interesting when the market just kind of falls short. I mean the overall market is bullish. I wonder how the Bears was able to kind of knock this thing down. I mean it's overall bullish. This is the range. This is the manipulation right there. I wonder how the heck they did that. Bastards. You couldn't have done like, dude. That's like one of the toughest things about being a trader or challenging things is if he was a bear shorting this thing probably would have not worked. But because you're a bull trying to go long here, this moves like this comes out of nowhere and then stops everybody out. All right. So we'll see if we'll see. We'll see. If not, my account will lock out and I'll just be sad. You said, do I ever use market orders? Yeah, I'm gonna get Bookmap. That's actually gonna be my Christmas gift for myself. They're doing a deal on the lifetime license, and I'm just gonna get that because with silver, um, I mean, the only thing I can use is the structure itself. I really don't know what the heck is going on. I can only guess. Mm. But we'll see if the market bounces here, man. This is a Hail Mary trade. Well, I don't want to call it a Christmas gift. I don't want to call it that. I don't want to celebrate holidays. It's just going to be something I'm gonna get for myself for next year. It's gonna be expensive. It's gonna be $1,400, so I'm gonna definitely have to mm, see it as an investment for a long term, for sure. But we'll see. So the lifetime, so they're doing a deal right now on the Global Plus lifetime license. It's not activated yet. They're gonna activate it after Christmas. I don't know why, but it's gonna be 30% off the lifetime license, which makes it like $1,400. And the I mean, it's right there next to the other one. It's like $900 or some shit like that. So um, it kind of makes sense. I mean, I guess the way they got it priced, it kind of makes sense just to get that other license. Mm. Come on, Silver, don't do this. Bounce, 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 bounce. God damn it. All right. This is why the damn it, Silver. Damn. Silver, you better not. You better not. You better keep on dropping, damn it. You better not. Mm. 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 You said use a Tradeify payout so I can write off the book map cost. Mm. Okay. Okay. Well, this is what I will say. I fell victim to greed. I would have had one more trade before the account locked out if I didn't scale into that other position. So I kind of fell victim to greed here. Deviated from my plan. I would have lost the two trades, but I would have had one more trade before the account locked out. Uh, They're fine. Mm. I think Apex is the only one investor Z. I don't know. I think everybody else, and the reason why they do it like that way, so they can keep you as a contractor. And I guess if you have an LLC, I guess they could still do it that way, but I'm pretty sure it's being done that way for a specific reason. Well, okay. All right. So it looks like the market wants to correct itself, apparently. We're seeing a big, stupid correction. Hmm. All right, man. Hmm. Ain't that some shit? Hmm. Well, I guess. Oh, okay. So, all right. Okay. And I wish I had something I can trade. Wish I had something I can trade this with because this could be a good trade right here. Instead of that same area where I went long, be the same area where I go short. Because technically that would be the and this is the same range The bulls failed to hold it at the range. It'll probably come back now and use it as resistance to short it. Alfred, how much money are you actually saving with that when you write stuff off like that? Is it even worth the effort? Mm, mm, Hold on, what the heck? Hold on, am I tripping? Am I tripping? I could have sworn this was so why do I have this different on this chart then? All right, so what did I just do differently? What did I do differently? Oh yeah, this is silver. I gotta remember that. Okay. This is silver. This is not SIL. This is silver. It's like, dude, why is this different? Mm. It's the same, but it's different. All right, 6'4", 6'9", 6'5", 6'9", 4'8", 6'9", 6'5". All right, so yeah, I'm definitely just gonna stick to charting on the on the micro silver chart because the silver chart itself sucks. All right. Okay. What the heck is this? CVD? Is this something like for bookmap or something? Oh, yeah, I appreciate that, Alfred. But I was talking about why the heck was it on my screen? So I do have bookmap already running in the background. I was kind of testing it out to see uh if it would slow things down. I mean, so far it hasn't. But for whatever reason, something on bookmap was showing itself on this chart. You gonna show me them things or no? Nope. Mm. And I wouldn't take a trade like that though. So I mean, I'm looking at what happened earlier on damn silver. Dude, I wouldn't take a trade this way. Wouldn't take this trade, but no, I wouldn't take this trade. All right. Mm. Nah, so we better show that same energy and keep going down. Yeah, Santiago. Yeah, it rejected off of it perfectly so far. Risk literally above that range. So, uh, yeah. So I took the trade trying to go long. Obviously, it came back and stopped me out, and so now I just flipped and used it to go short, or I'm using it to go short. $69,785. Well, hopefully, for the sake of this position, it comes back afterwards. Hopefully, hopefully, silver doesn't need to mitigate that area too. Because I mean, we did see a big drop from the highs. Technically, the market is still overall bullish, but um, I think the market wants to at least come back down a little bit more. Because if it wanted to continue to go higher, it would have just continued to go higher. Uh, I mean, the amount of profits that I have now, man, if this was like an XFA, I mean, I probably would have closed this shit. Maybe. Shit, seeing being up 2K on a perfect entry. I mean, I've already dedicated the Apex account for silver, and so far, so good with silver. So far, so good. But I need to think about having an account like completely dedicated to trading silver. Like just not the micro silver, because in my funded accounts, I mean, obviously I'm trading micro silver. There you go. First target hits, baby. But I'm thinking about maybe using Using those $6,000 accounts for silver, like the straight the funded accounts for silver, with the $6,000 of drawdown. Lone Wolf's brought day traders to my attention. They're the firm that broke off from Apex. Unlike Tradeify, Day Trader is actually doing a discount on their 150 straight to funded account. But I don't know if they offer silver though. I have to actually look at that. I wish Tradeify would stop being stingy and do the discount on the 150Ks direct account. Stop being stingy. Just do it. Mm. Man, I just banked a lot of money just now. A lot of freaking money, man. I would love to have that in my XFA. Love to have that in my XFA. But I mean, the strategy is very simple. Wait for the breakout, trade the pullback. We got in perfectly so far. I mean, we got the first target hit, but if in micros, my first target is, or my only target is actually where. So I'm looking for 890 really. This would be a successful trade if 890 gets hit. So it's like give or take, man. It's like either I trade silver and risk $900 per trade, or I trade the micro silver and only risk $180 per trade. So it's like, uh, mm. I mean, it makes sense. I mean, all I'm losing is, I mean, even if it comes back and stops me out, all I'm losing is $180. But if it comes back and stops me out on a silver trade, I'm losing nine. But with two contracts, I can take one contract off sooner, which kind of pays for, like, if it does come back and stop me out, which if you're trending in the right direction with silver, I haven't seen it do it. Uh, I haven't seen it do it, but that first target can basically pay for the trade. Mm. Oh, the firm is called Day Traders. Yeah, so far, yeah, all the action happened overnight as per usual with these metals. If you're not jumping in overnight, then once everybody gets into the market and everybody is scrambling to get into it, and the market is trying to go short, but everybody's trying to buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy it, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Yeah, Nasdaq, yeah, it's chopping around. ES. So yeah, it looks like it ran through the 50 that I drew last night. So it ran through this range. It ran through this range. It ran through this range. I mean, that range didn't have no damn chance. It just ran through this range. The bear tried to come back and short the range right here, and then they got ran through. Mm. Yeah, the ES is now a bad girl. She's a bad girl now. She does what the hell she wants to do. She don't even trade the same no more. It's kind of like CL. CL traders, I know a lot of people migrated from CL because she just doesn't trade the same. And I think the same thing's going to happen to ES. I think a lot of Nasdaq traders is going to a lot of Nasdaq traders, from what I've seen, have migrated to metals. But I think a lot of Nasdaq traders is going to go to ES because, man, we got ES overshooting levels now, huh? We got ES overshooting levels. Oh shit, I just realized that. Look at that. Double bottom. Look at that overshoot on ES. Wow, look at that. ES is overshooting now. Wow. Is ES that volatile? Damn. That's interesting. So now don't that's interesting. Hmm. All right, so let's see if we can get this target hit though. You said that ES is bouncing off of value area highs and lows. Yeah. Yeah. Isn't that the truth? Isn't that the damn truth? Like if you can make your money overnight, it literally clears up your day. Santiago, you gonna start trading in London? You say you saw many opportunities on silver. All right, so let's look at that. Let's look at that. So around 2 o'clock. Yeah, it's smooth. Yeah, I'm in bed. Shit, you'll never catch me trading. If I'm up during London, that means that I'm trading on tilt. That's the only reason. That is the only reason why I would be up at that time. Oh shit, my bad. We do have a gamma level at 6250 on silver options. So we do got a gamma level that it could potentially. I mean, it's rejecting from a gamma level right now. Silver's rejecting from a gamma level. No, I'm not gonna mess with that. Yeah, the metals got their Santa rally already. The indices got 2 days to respond. Y'all got 2 days to respond. Or not y'all, but the indices has 2 days to respond. Boom. Mm. Hey, what's up, Cape Trader? Mm. Okay. All right. Well, we've looked. Now we just need price to. Mm, mm. I am up $1,600 on one contract. Okay. All right. I need to get an account dedicated just for silver, man. I just need to get an account. Oh. Let me look at Lucid and seeing how much they're selling their. Let me see how much they're selling their straight to funded $6,000 accounts. Because like I said, yeah, everybody, Tradify is being stingy. But at the same time, it might be the same price. Might all be the same price. I doubt that. I doubt it. Let me see. Okay, yeah, well. Oh wow. So Tradify is still selling straight to funded Project X accounts. They said that they're not going to sell no more Project X accounts anymore. But they still have it available. Tomorrow's the last day. Silver, you bet not. You bet not, Silver. You bet not. Mm. All right, man. Thanks a lot, Silver. Okay. Okay. So if that was a trade, I would have lost. I would have lost that trade. Mm. Okay. Well, I guess I couldn't have done anything about that. Which sucks. Mm. Mm. Okay. Okay. All right. Yo, silver is just fucking up people's Christmas right now. Silver is fucking up people's Christmas right now. Mm. Mm. Okay, let me look at gold, I guess. Silver has to reset itself up. Gold, on the other hand. Mm. No, because I would have taken that trade. I'm only taking the sim trade because I don't have an account to trade it in. But if I did, I would have taken that trade. Just because I'm in the sim doesn't mean that I'm going to take trades that I wouldn't normally take. So it's a loss. I would have lost. But it does seem like even though uh, micro silver is safer to trade, as long as I'm trading a 1 to 3 in silver, then I should be okay. As long as I'm shooting for 54 ticks per trade, because that gives me 3 opportunities. So for every win, it takes out 3 losses. And I can get 54 ticks. The market will move 54 ticks. 54 ticks is not that far. Like 54 ticks. Like this move, right? So my first target, I think, is 54 ticks, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, yeah, my first target is actually 68 ticks. So As long as I'm getting 68 ticks or 54 ticks. But I don't want to spend $500. Because I'm already planning on getting the damn the book map thing, and I don't want to. That's already expensive. I mean, that book map freaking thing is gonna probably be expensive. It's for the lifetime license and to get the data. It's gonna be expensive. But I'm kind of tired of trading silver blind, so now if somebody was streaming silver, then that definitely would have been a pass for me. But nobody is streaming silver. Black box stock and the gammas and the order blocks, they've been helpful. It's been helpful, but I don't want to see where the orders are instead of taking a chance, because stuff like this, when this happens, this is frustrating. I mean, overall it's bullish, yeah, but overall it's bullish, but you know that sucks when that just sucks. And then the one thing about silver, you just gotta be freaking patient. Damn, that is crazy, man. I just need 54 ticks. I mean, obviously, I'll probably go for more than that, but this is where I would need the market to hit for the 1 to 3. Maybe I should do like a 1 to 5 or something. 90 ticks. So hold on, let me see how many ticks this was right here. So if I go for 90 ticks on silver per trade. That would have missed me right here. Would have missed me right there. So if I go for a 1 to 5, 90 ticks. Oh, you got it? Okay. I'm surprised they remembered. Good day. What? Hold on, what? What? Smith just messaged me, said that Ninja Trader was saying that he plays 30 contracts per trade. Are they banning you for or something? Yeah. You can only get so lucky if you can catch a short like this. You can only be so freaking lucky. I don't know who that is. Damn, if I'm really to drop like $2,000. Yo, that is crazy, man. You know, Red Kid, that's so crazy because that's exactly the question I asked. So that's exactly the question. Dude, I guess the platform thought he was placing 30 contract trades or something like that. He is using a trade copier, so that could be a part of it. But yo, this goes to show these prop firms have definitely spoiled us. If you lose an account in the real world, they're not going to refund you your money. They're not going to give you your account back. You have to be mad about that shit. And If you want to choose to still trade with that platform, put more money into it and keep jabbing. Yo, that's gonna be a meme like for so long. You gotta keep jabbing. Sorry if that triggered somebody, but you gotta keep jabbing. You gotta keep jabbing. That's hilarious. But dude, if you lose your account in the real world, they're not gonna give it back to you. So I mean, dude, like now, like when put into that perspective, it's like, huh. Yeah. Just imagine losing 10K. The platform has issues, but you have to accept that risk because the platform is not going to give you 10K to put back in your account to resume your trading. It's going to take your money. It's going to take your money. You know what, man? Look at that, dude. Okay, I gotta start trading silver in one of these accounts, but I can't trade silver in an existing account. Wow, in an existing account, I can't do it. It has to be something that because if I lose it, then I'll be mad at myself. Or we don't ever change anything while it's in production. Never switch up anything while it's in production. You always go into a test dev environment. Don't ever switch it up. I don't want to trade Apex. I mean, I'm gonna trade silver with Apex, but that stupid trailing drawdown is stupid. And honestly, I really don't even want to pay for the activation fee. Actually, I really don't. Like, honestly, at this point, I might as well just cancel all my Apex accounts because that activation fee is such a turnoff now. Shit, if I was in one contract, I would be up $1,400 right now. If I actually got in, I don't know why my limit canceled. I was like, hold on, why did my limit cancel here? If my limit didn't cancel, I would actually be down here. I would actually be right there where that 50 is. And I already would have gotten my target hit. Or, yeah, I would have got my target hit. Or no, I wouldn't have. It's right there. Up 3K on 2 silver contracts. This thing, target filled, baby. Target filled. Oh. Dang, should I take the chance? Should I get a 150K? God damn it. Damn, that's a lot. I don't like spending that much money at one time. I don't like it. Oh, okay. Yeah, that only works because of that. It only worked because of that. Yeah, dude, that's what I'm talking about, Alfred. I already said I'm not gonna just buy these damn accounts anymore. I'm not gonna buy them like that, like anymore. Yeah, yeah, I'm with that too, Alfred. That's gonna be, dude. That's a lot, man. That's a lot. Damn. So, unfortunately, Smith lost his account, and dude, as okay, so I must have been reading his messages through osmosis because uh they said that yeah, the order system was messed up, so they refunded him all his order fees, but they're not going to restore his account. Well, and they're not going to restore the account. They're not going to put the money back in the account. Damn. So apparently he was trading on his NinjaTrader account, and the order system was talking about he was trading 30 contracts per trade or some shit like that. So they kept rejecting his orders, saying that he didn't have the margin. And then I guess in that, I mean, pretty sure there's more to the story, but hold on. Okay. If tomorrow's the damn it, Tradeify, damn it, Tradeify. Okay. She said tomorrow's the last day, potentially that Project X will be gone off of Tradeify. All right, so TPT. All right, so Alfred just showed that TPT now allows you to trade as a company, which is great. Damn, look at this move, man. Let me look at Tradeify's Discord and see. Hold on, what? Oh shit, I didn't know that. So with the Lightning funded accounts, I have to trade 7 days with 5 days showing specified profit minimums. I must meet a 20% consistency rule. And then once I make 9,000, I can take out a. All right, Silver. Oh, okay, Silver. Come on, bastard. Damn, I want to pay. I'm getting real tired of that though. $9,000. I need 7 days, so I need $1,200. So it seems like. He lost the account. The last time I checked, he showed me a screenshot. He was up $1,500 in 2 accounts, and he just lost one. Damn, dude. So I wonder what was so. I wonder why gold couldn't just hit that target right there. I wonder what was so. Let me look. Actually, I'm not gonna do it. No, I mean there's already a range that I already got drawn. So I guess what I'm gonna start doing is just start copying and pasting the ranges from the silver chart onto this chart. Okay. And should I even front ran that 50 level? You know what, Santiago? Sometimes I wonder. I mean, it would make sense if they do, right? All right. I mean, come on, Silver. Damn. I mean, shit. You got me trading in the sim now. At least you can do is hit the damn target. Sitting there, I was up money in my funded account thinking that, okay, I'm good. And then all of a sudden, you just switch up. Mm. Always the freaking trade, dude. What I said, dang, you ain't gonna fill my order? Mm. Yeah, that's definitely for sure, dude. That is definitely for sure. The great thing about metals is that they respect levels. Even with all this volatility, I mean, they're at the end of the day, they're still commodities. They're still a tangible asset. They're not going to be able. They're not. I mean, we're not going to sit here and say that they can't do something crazy. But I mean, if this is them being volatile, I mean, the only thing is that they're just moving a lot more versus they're not just running through shit, which is good. Mm. You say your 50 is at 75.10. 75.10. Yeah, send me a screenshot of what you're looking at, Santiago. I mean, that doesn't look bearish. I mean, that looks bullish as fuck. I mean, the bulls were, I mean, if the bears let this go or the bulls let this go, it's a lot of work for the bears unless they just drop this damn thing. A lot of work. Because the 15-minute is super bullish right now. On the stock, the silver stock. Super bullish on the silver stock right now. But my goal is to make the Hattie's 20K, 10K days, 5K days on silver. That's definitely my goal. So just imagine if silver moved exactly like gold. All right, so that's the range right there. We got the bears. They tried, but I think they're going to probably try to use this area as an area to bounce it though. So I'm gonna keep this range right there just in case. And then we have another range right here. You get a range. You get a range. You get a range. Another range right there. And then we got a half day tomorrow too, so. Okay, my bad. Damn it, Tradeify. Alright, so it's a tough day, but you see it bounce on the small 50, then the next 50 got ran over. Now he's waiting to step. You see the top 50, what it does. I draw the full 50 on top since it wasn't liquidity. As it stood there to try to push this levels and then so you look at this area here, right here. Okay. Okay. Well, for the sake of this position, hopefully it just comes to it later on. But I wonder if we're going to use this range right here to bounce it. Because I mean, I guess if we see a break, then it's good to use it to short. And see if we can get that, at least that first target hit. Like, okay. I guess I can. I mean, I got the Apex account. I just don't want to pay that stupid activation. I mean, I guess I could just get another one. No, I want to go to strike to fund it, man. Like, I'm up enough to where if I was a profit taker, this would have been enough money to take profits at. I mean, this short would be tough. I mean, if it works, it's going to be a tough short. The market is still overall bullish. The momentum is just bearish for the short term. But I mean, to be completely honest, it's only this leg that's bearish. Overall is bullish. Look how this thing's just been bouncing off of 50s and shit. Look at that. Bounce. 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 It's just been bouncing off of these ranges that it's been making. It's been rejecting and then bouncing off of them. Okay. Yeah, it definitely does. It's like you know, to be up $2,000 and then to have to see go from 2,000 back down to like zero. Honestly, that doesn't even affect me. I guess in my mind, I guess how I see it, or I guess how I envision it in my mind, is that it didn't hit my target, so I don't care how much I was up. So, but I mean, the reality is I was up 2K. I could have trailed it, but I don't like trading like that. But now, if I was in a funded account, I don't know. I guess it's how I would have felt that day. If I just needed 2,000 for like a payout or something, then I would have taken the profits because it would have been foolish to if I just needed 2K. If I get this straight to funded, 150K straight to funded, I have to trade for 7 days. That means I have to make $1,200. I'm risking $400 to make 12 or 13. I can easily get that. I can easily get it. Like right now. Oh shit, man! It would have. You nasty biatch. Well, I mean, I don't think hold on. How much money do I need? Okay, so I need to make $9,000. Divided into 7. So I needed to make $1,300. And he said the way you make 9,000 is to make half, lose half, then make the half and then lose it. That's one way to do it for sure. So right now they're selling it for $530. I would hate for them to do a damn deal on it. I mean, $530. I mean, is it? Oh shit. My bad. I gotta go. I'm out of time for this session. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm out of time. Unfortunately, I gotta end here and I had to hop into this meeting. So I appreciate everybody that joined me today. We'll definitely come back later on tonight and we'll continue to look for opportunities to earn money on silver, because it's the only thing to trade right now to make all this money. So with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good day.